Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. This week we're going to take a look at editing a PowerPoint right here in Adobe Express. It's a really great feature and it's a quick way that you can edit content and share content with others online. To get started, you can either select Start from your content right here, or if you don't happen to see that, you can go to Document and then choose from Start from your document. So I'm going to select this option here. And I'm already in my folder where my PowerPoint lives, and I don't see it. Well, by default, Express often looks for PDFs. So all I have to do is down here where it says Custom Files PDF, change that to All Files. I'll see my PowerPoint, select it, go to Open, let that file process, and once it's done processing, I can select Open. Once it opens, I'll have all my slides available to me. I can double click on type and edit it. I can edit photos and images. I can add content in. So for example, if I go to this slide right here and I decided I wanted to change this content, I can always remove that content. Go over here to Elements. Say I want to use a shape or an icon maybe. And I could say I want a student. And then I could choose a student icon to replace that with. So I'm just going to go with something general here. Drag that over. And then maybe change the color of that. Additionally, I can invite others to work on my piece. So if I wanted to collaborate with other people, I can simply select Invite and choose their email address to invite them to help me out. I can also put this into a presentation mode, or I can even download this as a PDF if I wanted to, a JPEG or a PNG to share on other various platforms. Additionally, my file is saved into the web, so I can access this and edit it from anywhere. If I need to go to a conference and do a presentation and maybe I don't have access to all my files, I can very easily access this file and edit it before my big presentation. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to catch you again next week for another quick tip.